What's up guys, my name is Zach and today we are unboxing the new Modulus ECS10. Let's have a look. Oh, I forgot one thing, we need batteries. Make sure whenever you use a knife, make sure there's always an adult by you. Whoop. Oh, dang it. There we go, batteries. Let's see, there we go. Okay, should come out now. Yep. Damn, that looks nice. It's really nice. Okay, now let's get these bolts out.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, I've had enough of this. Let's just beast mode. Okay, there we go. That's better. Oh, okay. Now, let's build this together and see what it looks like. Okay guys, it looks like my brother's coming in. So I guess he's gonna sit next to me and join us. This is my little brother Nate. He got a new Nerf gun today too. So, Nate, show everyone your new Nerf gun. Do you like it? Yep. Okay, now let's get into this. So it looks like here, you put this on, there we go, that's better. Okay.
Is that the way we want?
There we go. There we go. Okay guys, think that's all good now. Here, it looks pretty cool to me. Okay, let's test this thing. Okay guys, thank you for watching. If you've got any questions, comment down below and subscribe and like if you want to. And yeah, so see you next time. Bye. Peace out.